Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Tuesday, July the 29th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, U.S. stock futures moved higher on Tuesday, eyeing a bid for more records as investors combed through a fresh rush of corporate earnings and waited for key economic data in a big week on Wall Street. S&P 500 futures rose 0.3% on the heels of narrowly notching a 6th all-time closing high in a row. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures also edged up 0.2%, while contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 led the way higher with a 0.5% gain. Number 2, Union Pacific UNP and Norfolk Southern NSC announced that the two railroad giants were combining, creating the country's first transcontinental railroad. Union Pacific will buy Norfolk Southern for $320 per share in an $85 billion deal that will connect 50,000 miles of railroad across 43 states, linking approximately 100 North American ports. The combined company will be worth over $250 billion. The deal follows reports that the two companies were in merger discussions. Union Pacific shares are up less than 1% in pre-market trading, while those of Norfolk Southern are down more than 2%. Number 3, UnitedHealth Group shares are slipping 1.5% after the health insurance giant slashed its full-year profit outlook as its second-quarter earnings came in well below analysts' estimates. The insurer posted adjusted earnings per share of $4.06 on revenue that increased about 13% year-over-year to $111.6 billion, both below analyst projections compiled by Visible Alpha. Its estimates for full-year earnings per share were slashed by about $10 as the company saw higher realized and anticipated care trends. UnitedHealth said it expects to return to earnings growth in 2026. Number 4, Nvidia placed orders with contract manufacturer Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company for 300,000 AI-focused H20 chips as it adds to its stockpiles amid strong Chinese demand, according to a report in Reuters. Earlier this month, the Trump administration gave approval for Nvidia to resume sales of its H20 chip in China after previously issuing restrictions on the AI chip. During a trip to Beijing earlier this month, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang said that the level of orders it received would determine whether it would order more production of the chip, according to the report. Nvidia shares are higher by more than 1% in pre-market trading, while U.S.-listed shares of TSMC are moving slightly lower. Number 5, United Parcel Service shares are 4% lower in pre-market trading after the shipping giant posted worse-than-expected quarterly profit while failing to provide a revenue or earnings outlook. UPS reported adjusted earnings per share of $1.55, lower than estimates from analysts surveyed by Visible Alpha. Its revenue fell 3% from year-ago levels, but was above projections. UPS said it is not providing a revenue or profit forecast given the current macroeconomic uncertainty. UPS shares entered Tuesday, down about 20% this year. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.